AI video creation is absolutely exploding right now, but let's be real, so is the fear of getting a copyright strike. So today, we're going to walk through how you can use Google's NotebookLM to generate some amazing video content, and, this is the important part, do it safely. Let's dive in. You've seen the incredible potential of AI video, right? Pumping out content faster than ever before. But there's always that little voice in the back of your head. Who actually owns this stuff? Can I really use this on my channel without getting flagged? It's the #1 question for creators, and today we're going to answer it. The fear of that copyright claim is totally real. I mean, you could pour hours into a video only to find out you can't even use it. But what if the AI tool itself kind of gave you a clear, safe path forward? That's exactly what we're going to explore with NotebookLM. How to create compelling videos that are also legally, yours. So NotebookLM basically gives you two different ways to play this game. The first one is a super fast all-in-one method for creating video right inside the tool. The second is a more professional approach for when you need that really polished public-facing look. We're going to break them both down so you can figure out which one is the right fit for your project. Okay, let's dive into the lightning fast option first. This is all about speed and simplicity. It's for when you need to get from idea to a finished video with the fewest possible clicks. So when would you actually use this? Well, think about it. You need to create a quick video summary of your study notes, or maybe a simple explainer for an internal company presentation. It's perfect for when the message is way more important than having all the Hollywood bells and whistles. And the process here, it's ridiculously straightforward. You start by uploading resources you own, and that part is so important we're going to circle back to it. From there, you just pop open the studio panel, select video overview, maybe add a quick instruction and hit produce. A few moments later, boom, you've got a downloadable MP4. It's seriously that direct. Now here is a super crucial tip, a real listen up moment. It can be so tempting to ask for a famous style, right? Like, make it look like a Disney movie. You have got to avoid this. What you're really doing is asking the AI to make a copy of copyrighted material. Instead, you want to stick to generic prompts like professional or handmade. That's what keeps your creation legally in the clear. But what if you need something a bit more polished? For YouTube or social media. What if you're building one of those faceless content channels and you need really high quality visuals? Well, that brings us right to our second method. This method is totally built for public-facing content. It's for all you creators who want to use NotebookLM's powerful AI for audio and scripting, but then pair it with high-quality professional visuals. It's the best of both worlds, AI efficiency and polished production value. Okay, so here's how this one works. Instead of creating the full video in NotebookLM, you use it to generate only the audio overview. This gives you a fantastic AI-generated script and voiceover. Then you download that audio file and you bring it into a video editor you're comfortable with, like CapCut. From there, you can just easily layer some great royalty-free stock footage over the audio, and you've got a slick professional video. So we've got two really powerful methods on the table. One is fast and all-in-one. The other is flexible and professional. So how do you choose which one is right for you? This table really just breaks it all down, doesn't it? You can see right away, if you need something done fast for an internal project, method 1 is your go-to, no question. But if you're creating for a public audience and you really need that high-quality finish, then yeah, the extra steps in method 2 are totally worth it. And hey, notice that copyright strategy row? It perfectly sums up how you stay safe with each path. Alright, no matter which method you pick, there is one single golden rule you absolutely have to understand to stay safe. If you take away just one thing from this whole explainer, this is it. It all comes down to a legal concept called a derivative work. And look, think of it like this. If you bake a cake using ingredients you stole from a neighbor, you can't really claim the cake is 100% yours, can you? It's the same idea here. If you create a video based on someone else's copyrighted material, they still have rights to your new creation. And that brings us to the single most important rule, and it's so elegantly simple. To own the output, you must own the input. If you feed the AI your own original writing or your own research, the video it makes is yours. If you feed it a copyrighted novel, it's not. It's really that straightforward. And you don't just have to take my word for it. Google's own policy makes this crystal clear. They are not claiming ownership of your stuff. This quote says it all. If your inputs are original, the output belongs to you. That's huge. That puts the power and the ownership directly in your hands. You are in control. So there you have it. You have the tools, and now you have the simple rules to create with them safely and with confidence. The power is truly in your hands. The only question left is, what are you going to create first?